ConvertKit versus Omnisend. Two giants in email marketing, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, ConvertKit, built for creators, bloggers, and info product brands. And on the right, Omnisend, a multi-channel powerhouse tailored for e-commerce. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, so let's set the scene with a quick mind map. Here's what we're going to look at: price and plans, feature set, automation, integrations, e-commerce capability, ease of use, and of course, support and community. Ready? Let's break it all down. Starting off strong. Price and plans. Okay, ConvertKit, this one's got a simple pricing model. You get a free tier for up to 1,000 subscribers, which is sweet if you're just starting out. But as your list grows, those prices ramp up fast. And little awkward pause here, there's no SMS on the free plan, which is a bit meh. Now, Omnisend, this is where it gets kind of cool. Their free plan isn't just email. It packs in SMS and push notifications too, although it's capped at 500 emails a month. The usage-based pricing feels pretty flexible. Honestly, it's refreshing. Downside? Well, there is a required setup fee, and things can get complicated if you go wild with giant lists. Still, Omnisend is our winner for value, especially if you want all those channels without nickeling and diming. Feature set. Oh, this gets interesting. So ConvertKit, you get a landing page builder, embeddable forms, and a neat creator network for boosting your list. Email sequences? Totally doable. But here's the kicker. No SMS, no push. And if you're in e-commerce, it feels a bit thin. Now, when you jump to Omnisend, it's a whole other ballgame. You've got multi-channel capabilities. Think email, SMS, push, all baked in. Pre-built automations for abandoned carts, and all the e-commerce goodies, loading up advanced segmentation too. The catch? Most of this is really designed for online stores. Plus, if you want something outside the e-commerce box, that drag-and-drop editor feels basic. Still, Omnisend's feature party takes the cake. Let's talk automation. ConvertKit's got a flexible tagging system and lets you build some pretty complex funnels. But I gotta be honest, the learning curve is real. It's not the friendliest, especially if you just want simple automations. You'll be clicking around, scratching your head. Then comes Omnisend. This platform just hands you ready-made workflows for carts, products, whatever you need. They even toss in AI-powered automations, which, sounds fancy. For non-e-commerce users, it might feel sort of basic, and custom logic is a tad restricted. But overall, Omnisend has the edge on automation, hands down.
Wait, quick interruption. Did you know Omnisend lets you send SMS and push notifications straight to your customers, even on the free plan? That's wild if you ask me. Not just email, actual multi-channel magic. All right, let's get back to the showdown.
Moving on. Integrations. Now here's a plot twist. ConvertKit connects to over 320 third-party apps. You name it, podcasting, courses, webinars, they've probably got it. And that's gold for creators. Sure, their deep e-commerce connections are a little thin, but overall, their integration game is strong. Omnisend, by comparison, is super focused on e-commerce. They offer around 80 integrations, and these are basically Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, all the store classics. If you're running a shop, it works, but if you need a general purpose connection, you might feel limited. So for this round, ConvertKit wins by a mile in integrations. Now let's look at e-commerce capability. Honestly, for ConvertKit, it's kind of a weak spot. You've got basic sales sequences, and landing pages work fine, but no deep integrations. And forget transactional SMS. Now Omnisend, whoa, this is their sweet spot. Full-on Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce tie-ins, order confirmations, receipts, cart flows, the whole 9 yards. If you're not a store, you might feel a bit out of place. But seriously, for shop owners, Omnisend crushes it. They definitely win in e-commerce features. Ease of use. Okay, so ConvertKit is awesome for simple email campaigns. The dashboard, super clean. If you're a content creator, it just feels right. But the minute you want advanced funnels, yeah, things go south pretty quick. The automation interface, honestly, it's confusing. Switching to Omnisend, the entire flow is streamlined for e-commerce. You get straight to the point. It's super intuitive if you're selling products. But fair warning, if you're not running a store, the platform can be a bit intimidating. Even so, Omnisend gets the win here for making complex stuff simple for stores. Last but not least, support and community. So ConvertKit gives you email and chat support, which is cool, but there's not much live help going on. It's sort of like texting a friend and waiting for them to reply. Omnisend, though? Oh, and here's something cool. They offer 24/7 live chat and email, even on the free plan. In-app support, beefy knowledge base, the works. Most of the support is focused on store setups, but honestly, that's perfect if you're an e-com brand. For this, Omnisend takes the win. No contest. So if you stack up all these categories side by side, you start to see the strengths really pop. ConvertKit shines with integrations and pure creator focus, while Omnisend just dominates price, features, automation, e-commerce, and support. That's a pretty big lead for Omnisend overall. Here's my honest take. If you're a blogger, creator, or someone who sells info products, ConvertKit is honestly a gem. But if you run an online store, need cart recovery, want to blast out SMS and push, and love having slick automations out of the box, Omnisend is the powerhouse you'll want in your corner. Was this comparison useful? Seriously, if you're torn between ConvertKit and Omnisend, bookmark this video. Trust me, come back to it before making your next digital marketing move.